Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára ti òní. Welcome to today's online class. Àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní ni oge ṣíṣe. Our topic for today's class is beautification. Oge ṣíṣe, beautification. Kí ni oge ṣíṣe? What is beautification? Oge ṣíṣe ní ọ̀nà tí à ń gbà ṣe ara wa lọ́ṣọ̀ọ́. That is, it's a way in which we beautify ourselves. It is an important aspect of the Yoruba culture. And oge ṣíṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìtọ́jú àyíká, ìtọ́jú ara, aṣọ wíwọ̀, ìlà kíkọ, làálì títọ́, ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ lílò, irun ṣíṣe, oṣù kíkù àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. That is, beautification begins with care for the house, the body, tribal marks, clothing, and so on and so forth. Let's look at the ways in which we beautify ourselves. Ọ̀nà tí à ń gbà ṣe oge ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ohun àkọ́kọ́ is aṣọ wíwọ̀, that is dressing, the clothing. Our dressing talks about the way we beautify ourselves. When we wear our clothes, we are more beautiful. Another one is ìlà kíkọ, the tribal marks. It's believed that when you have your tribal marks, you're more beautiful. Irun ṣíṣe, that is when you make your hair, either you're male or you're female, either you're cutting your hair, you're barbing your hair, or you're plaiting your hair, it makes you more beautiful. Làálì títọ́, that is the usage of henna, is also part of beautification. Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ lílò, using beads, is part of beautification, and we have them like that, and so on and so forth. So let's pick them one after the other. Aṣọ wíwọ̀, oríṣiríṣi aṣọ ni ó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá bíi sanyán, àlárì, that is different types of aṣọ. That is that aṣọ òkè that we have in Yoruba land. We have them in different types. We call them aṣọ òfì or aṣọ òkè. Now, a male's dressing is different from that of a female's dressing. Like the female will wear buba, ìró, gèlè, ìpèlé, that is a wrapper and the headgear, while the male will wear sọ̀rọ̀, buba, ṣòkòtò, fìlà àti agbádá. Then there is one unique thing that the dress a man and a woman can wear is called buba. It's not sewn the same way, but it is called buba. Do you understand? So clothing or dressing is a unique part of beautification. So let's look at ìlà kíkọ. We have ìlà kíkọ. Yorùbá gbọ́ wọ́n ní títa ríro là ń kọlà tó bá jẹ náà tán àdókè. That is, when you're about to get the tribal mark, it's very painful, but at the end it beautifies you. That is, in those days, tribal marks is an important part of beautification in Yoruba land. Àwọn ìlà yìí ó sì jẹ mọ́ àyíká àti agbègbè kọ̀ọ̀kan. That is, this tribal marks is unique to one society or one community. For example, a ní Gombo, Pele, ti Ifẹ̀. That is the tribal mark that belongs to Ife, Ibadan, Ìjẹ̀ṣà. It varies like that. Do you understand? Irun ṣíṣe, tọkùnrin àti tí obìnrin ni ó ń ṣe irun. That is, both a male and a female make their hair. And how do they? In those days, the men will barb their hair, and they have different types of hairs. Like you have the afro, the gorimapa, afro, and so on. While the females, they will place their hair. Either they place it naturally or they use thread to make it. And we have different hairstyles like kojúsọ́kọ, kòlẹ́sẹ̀, owónífàárí, ìpàkọ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, ṣùkú, kòróbá àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. We have different types of hairstyle. Do you understand? Correct. So the next one we'll be looking at is làálì títọ́. Làálì títọ́. It's not only the Hausas that make use of the henna, that is henna. It's also among the Yorubas, especially the Muslims. You see them, they paint their legs, they paint their hands, they paint their nails. Ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ lílò, using of beads. Ní ayé àtijọ́, àwọn ọba àbí ìjòyè nìkan ló máa ń lo ìlẹ̀kẹ̀. In those days, it's not only the kings and the chiefs that use beads. Even the villagers too, they use beads. And when they use this bead, you see it around their waists, their wrists, their head, their neck. It's also one of the ways in which they beautify their self. Do you understand? This bead is so unique and very beautiful and colorful. They use it in beautifying themselves. Then we also noticed that some of these things have metamorphosized into the modern forms. Like the clothing we now wear modern clothes, and we no longer draw the tribal marks again. And the kind of hair that we make, we now fix our hair, we do modern styles. No longer do only the kids, school children that you see making thread or that. Even the guys, they now go on dreadlocks and all that. Also, and now we now have tattoos, which is permanent, unlike henna that is temporal. Also, for the beads, we no longer use the local beads again. We now use modern beads for fashion. I hope you understand. So only the chiefs use those local beads, but for all cultural dancers, you see them use the modern beads now. Okay. Evaluation. Ìgbéléwọ̀n. Kọ irun mẹ́fà tí o mọ̀. Write 6 hairstyles that you know. Local hairstyles. Thank you.